Small but Useful. Niki the Frog. Author by Veronica Podesta. Illustrator Monica Pieri Madri. Concept layout Tanya De Brito. Niki the Frog. Small but Useful. Aiko the fish was wandering around the pond looking to have some fun. He came across a bunch of strange little balls and kicked one, hoping to score a goal. But to his surprise, the ball hatched. It wasn't a ball, but an egg. Out of the frail shell came a small and weird creature. "I never seen someone like you before. A head with a tail? Are you a fish?" "I'm Niki, the tadpole. I'm thin and long, and I'm the fastest of all." "That's yet to be seen. I dare you to see who's the fastest swimmer, and who eats more algae in this pond. Ready, steady, go!" The poor Aiko lost both challenges. It was impossible to reach Niki, who swam at the speed of light. In the blink of an eye, she devoured every algae that she found in her way. A few weeks passed, full of races and fun. However, Niki's shape started to change a little bit every day. Her tail got shorter, and her body got rounder day by day. Suddenly, she grew 2 legs, and then 2 more. Niki lost the race for the first time, but Aiko wasn't able to celebrate his victory. "You've become round and heavy," said Aiko. "You don't look like a fish anymore." It was true. Niki was no longer a tadpole. She had 4 legs, 2 bulging eyes, and a long sticky tongue. She stretched her legs, jumped, and reached the surface. A fly passed by, and bam! It got caught in Niki's long and sticky tongue. "Yummy! Tasty! I want more!" Jumping across the field, she ate 1, 2, 3, 15 flies in a heartbeat. "Hello, little frog," said someone by her side. The animal looked just like Niki. "I dare you! Let's see who eats more bugs in the field." "You called me a frog?" Niki wanted to know, while a new unknown sound flipped through her mouth. Croak. "You and I are frogs. We can jump and sing. Also, if it wasn't for us, this field would be plagued by flies and mosquitoes," Croak, explained her new friend as she ate a big fly. At night, Niki met her large family. There were many and started singing along. They croaked and croaked, offering a wonderful concert under the moonlight. She was happy with her new life, yet when she saw her reflection in the pond, she remembered Aiko, and felt very sad. Would she ever see him again? The next morning, she was amazed to discover that one of her sisters was diving into the water. She swam with her 4 legs and jumped back onto the surface. "Can I do that? If I can jump onto the ground and swim in the water, then I'm able to keep on playing with Aiko." "Being a frog is awesome," said Niki, as she dived into the water to join her childhood friend. The end.